Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy falafel sandwich recipe made without deep frying the falafels. Ideal as a quick protein and fiber rich meal for dinner or for lunch in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. To make falafel, I have already soaked 1 cup of chickpea, also known as chana, overnight or for about 8 to 10 hours. Now I'm going to add this into my blender jar. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in a handful of coriander leaves. I'm lightly tearing the leaves and adding in. Note that I have also taken little tender stems of the leaves. This will give an amazing flavor to the falafel. Green chilies, garlic cloves, roughly chopped onion, black pepper powder, Kashmiri chili powder, crushed cloves, cinnamon powder. Cloves and cinnamon powder will give an amazing flavor to the falafel, so try not to skip it. Jeera powder, sea salt, add in the soaked and rinsed chickpeas, also known as chana, and I'm going to blend this. Okay, now everything is ground. You can see that it is not super finely ground, it is coarsely ground. This is what you should be aiming at. Transfer this to a bowl. Add in 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons sesame seeds, and mix this all really well. You can also notice that there are a few chickpeas which are not fully ground. So this is what you should be aiming at. This is how coarsely it should be. To make the sandwich, I am using 2 slices of sourdough bread. Place 1 to 2 tablespoons of the falafel mix on the sourdough bread slice and spread it all over the bread slice. Add the filling on the other slice as well. Okay, now I have spread the falafel mix on both the slices of the bread. This is about 1 to 2 tablespoons of falafel mix or as needed on each slice of the sourdough bread. Heat a cast iron tawa and drizzle in 1 teaspoon wood pressed groundnut oil. You can use any wood pressed oil of your choice. And lightly spread the oil and then take the bread slice and place the falafel side down on the tawa. This way you can toast the falafel with very minimal oil and hence ideal to include in your weight loss journey. So placing it falafel side down, lightly press it down and allow the falafel to get cooked and crispy. You can place something heavy like a small skillet on top so that the falafel gets toasted evenly. Note that I am using very less oil to make this sandwich. The falafel mix is a good source of protein and fiber, and the sourdough sandwich will help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time, as sourdough sandwich has a low glycemic index and also helps to balance or maintain your blood sugar levels. 2 minutes later, remove the skillet from the top and carefully flip the sandwich over so that the other side of the bread will get toasted as well. Note that I am using a well seasoned cast iron tawa, hence the falafel mix will not get stick to the tawa, and allow the other side to get toasted as well. And as you can see, the falafel mix is now toasted, crunchy, and it is nicely cooked. So this way you use very less oil and you get all the flavors of the falafel in the sandwich. Couple of minutes later, flip it over and you can see that the other side is toasted and crunchy as well. Transfer the toast onto a serving plate. 1 teaspoon wood pressed oil. Lightly spread the oil. Place the other slice falafel side down and allow that side to get toasted as well. Leftover batter can always be stored in an airtight glass container and it will stay good in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. 2 minutes later, open the lid, carefully flip it over. See how easy it is to make falafel sandwich without deep frying the falafels. Couple of minutes later, remove it from the tawa. I'm making a quick onion tomato pickle as a filling for the sandwich, and for that I have already sliced 1 medium-sized onion and 1 tomato. I'm adding in some pink Himalayan salt, about 1/3 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt, 1/4 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, juice of half a lemon, some finely chopped coriander leaves, and with my hand I'm mixing all this really well. And my quick and easy onion tomato pickle is ready. Place the bread slice onto a cutting board. Place the onion tomato filling on top, covered with the other slice, and lightly press it down. Slice into half just before serving. And my healthy falafel sandwich is ready to serve. So guys, you try this healthy falafel sandwich and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.